Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. Mickey files anticipatory bail in Sessions Court at Madgaon. Interim bail granted. Don't arrest Mickey till hearing on 23rd. Court tells police. CM says party will decide about Mickey's ministry. Ravi says law will take its own course. It's not only Mickey, almost half of the cabinet haunted with police cases. A Prudent Media special report. Father Agnel College from Pilar lift the Goa University football title. St. Xavier's finished second best. And India under-19 football team to train in Los Angeles ahead of Asian Cup qualifiers. And now the news in detail. Mickey Pacheco on Saturday filed anticipatory bail in Madgaon Sessions Court, fearing his arrest in the extortion case. Earlier, Crime Branch had a registered extortion case on Mickey. The Sessions Court has granted interim bail to Mickey Pacheco. Court has directed police not to arrest Mickey till the next hearing on the 23rd of September.
Recently, Crime Branch registered a complaint against Tourism Minister Mickey Pacheco for extortion of money from Majorda Beach Resort Casino. The offence registered against him is cognizable and non-bailable. Mickey Pacheco fears arrest by police and has filed anticipatory bail in Sessions Court at Madgaon.
I have to go because I don't trust this government. See, there are elections around the corner in Maharashtra. Tomorrow I don't want, unnecessary issue that, this hype on the media saying NCP leader and Minister of Tourism been arrested for extortion. So that's the reason I'm gone for anticipatory bail. You never know. I had seen these cases like example like Babuj, example like Ishtajit. There are cases. I don't know how this system goes. The state of Goa, people are worried.
Our reporter at Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has said that the party will decide on the ministry of Mickey Pacheco. Home Minister Ravi Naik has said that the law will take its own course as far as Mickey's arrest is concerned. However, GPCC President Subhash Shirokar has refused to comment on Mickey's allegations of Congress conspiring against NCP.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath on Saturday has said that party will take final call on Mickey Pacheco's fate in the cabinet. CM had asked tainted ministers to think about themselves yesterday. Home Minister Ravi Naik refused his involvement in registering extortion case against Mickey Pacheco, but said that the law will take its own course.
केस करपा येता तेव्हा केसी ह्यो रजिस्टर जातात न्हू कळ्ळें खंयच्या पुलीस स्टेशन पळय करता तो त्या भागाचो इन्स्पेक्टर हो इन्क्वायरी ऑफिसर कळ्ळें ते त्यांनी इन्क्वायरी करपाचें आसता म्हणजे केस घातले केस रजिस्टर केले म्हणून कितें रजिस्टर केले म्हणून समजा कोण हांवें हें करता भितर जायचें ना न्हू समटायम्स केस पळयता तेका स्टेटस जाता तो कशें कितें आसा कायद्यान कितें आसा त्या प्रमाणे जाता.
Mickey had alleged that Congress is conspiring against him and NCP. When we asked Goa Pradesh Congress Committee President Subhash Shirokar about these allegations, he refused to comment on the issue.
I have nothing to say about it. Is responsibility or lookout of Mr. Mickey and CM.
Our reporter Vivek Prabhu from Ponda.
NCP leaders in Goa have not ruled out Congress conspiracy against NCP as Maharashtra elections are around the corner. Mickey had alleged that Congress wants to malign his and his party's image. NCP President Dr. Kamu Pegado said that the conspiracy might have been planned to marginalize NCP's position in the state.
Tourism Minister Mickey Pacheco has already alleged that the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and Home Minister Ravi Naik conspiring against him and his party. Following the footsteps of Mickey, NCP President Dr. Karmu Pegado has also hinted towards Congress of conspiracy against NCP. The reason they say is the Maharashtra election.
I can't tell you definitely that is that way, but it may be also because elections are near the corner, close by, and the very fact, the CM or either Home Ministers should have informed any of the functionaries, me or even Mr. Joseph Philippe, who is the legislature being the leader. He's also not been informed, I think so. And maybe they are trying to marginalize us by this way. And I think there won't be much impact or any consequences regarding the Maharashtra elections.
Dr. Pegado says that they have informed party high command about the recent political situation and waiting for their reply.
In this regard, we are taking stock of the situation. We have informed our high command, Delhi. We have sent recently the facts, putting up all the case before them, and we are waiting for their say in this matter.
NCP leader and Revenue Minister Joseph Philippe D'Souza is interested in resolving the issue, but he too feels that Congress has planned such type of things against NCP legislatures, including him.
एवूय प्रॉब्लेम आमी डिस्कस करतले कितें तर आहा जाल्यार कसले आमचे मदें आहा जाल्यार नो डाउट कित्याक लास्ट टायम हांवें चोयलां हांगा ते रस्ता रोको जो कोणें केलो जो BJP भावांनी हो रस्ता रोको केलो पूण हांवें आयकलां ते भाशेन म्हाका कळलां ते भाशेन जे काँग्रेसाचे जो ब्लॉक जो वास्को कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो जो ब्लॉक काँग्रेसाचो आहा तेणी तांकां मदत केल्या पूण फाटल्यान रावन मदत केल्या हे भाशेन म्हणजे कितें आहा घरचो भेदी भायलो चोर हे भाशेन एक कितें केलां हेवूय हांव आमच्या गोंयच्या चीफ मिनिस्टर दिगंबर कामता कडेन उलयतलो.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with reporter Surendra Madkekar and video journalist Sunny Narvekar for Prudent Media.
Mickey Pacheco is in trouble as the crime branch has filed a case against him in the extortion case. Wait a minute, Mickey is not the only legislator from the ruling side with a criminal charge. There are 4 other ministers and legislators with criminal records. Here is a brief account of almost half of our cabinet which is tainted.
Besides extortion charges, Mickey faces charges of assaulting government servant. Mickey's wife Sara has also accused Tourism Minister Mickey Pacheco for selling her flats and car without her consent. Domestic violence case filed by Mickey's wife Sara is also undergoing in Madgaon court. Taligaon MLA and Education Minister Babush Monserrat has some criminal cases to his record, the most famous being Panji police station attack incident. Babush is accused of leading a mob that later attacked the Panji police station. Last year, Babush was also charged with abetment to crime in minor German girl rape case. Monserrat's elder son Rohit now faces charges of raping the minor girl. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane faces threat to kill charges. Advocate Iris Rodriguez has accused Health Minister Vishwajit Rane of giving him life-threatening calls in year 2007. The matter is still in the court. In 1991, Churchill Alema was booked under National Securities Act and Conservation of Foreign Exchange and Prevention of Smuggling Activities Act. 4 years back, Churchill was shown on Star TV for allegedly seeking commission in lieu of allocating funds for projects under MP-led scheme. In past, Churchill's younger brother and Urban Development Minister Joki Alemao also had a bad record in police files. Senior congressman and Haldona MLA Dayanand Narvekar is trapped in fake ticket scam. Narvekar had to resign last year after charges were framed against him in ticket scam. In 2001, Deputy Speaker Maureen Gudino was charged in power rebate scam. In 1990s, Victoria Fernandes was booked for abetting extortion and assault charges. Prior MLA Deepak Dhavrikar is also charged for breaking open MGP office door on 12th August. This incident later took ugly shape and now MGP President Pandurang Raut and Deepak Dhavrikar are battling it in the court. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
Time now for a short break. Stay tuned.